When Bird walked up with Bird said, you know, he said, work smart, son, not hard. Bring the trash can. You can't get the trash can and ask one of us, we'll pull it over there. He's gonna get the shade. Come back and get one more water. I like it. Yeah, here it goes. Here it goes. Look at he's going to do it. Watch it. Yeah, he's wanting to bad. Look, he's going back on the shade.
He's getting ready to run away, y'all.
Hey, Bird, be honest. Did he used to be like that?
Hell yeah. Lazy as a motherfucker.
Watch him go get one piece now. You shouldn't go to see him get that, what's that bug boy got? Oh, yeah, beetle. He got one beetle. That's all he got. He come in and ask, what's this? It's a bug.
What fella? He was like, what's the black dude over here? Jump. Jump around like Junkie Jeff. In circles and shit.
What shit, what the belly got left? What's the rest of the thing?
I bet if I get fired, he'll walk to the store just like Jeff, get him some fucking Skittles and a drink.
Come back. He won't bring no change back though.
If he knew he was laughing at him right now, he'd be so fucking mad.
Oh yeah, if he knew you was laughing or videotaping. Oh
yeah,
my
he's sitting there cussing in his mind.
Yeah, he is. No, he tell you what he's thinking. What kind of weapon do I need to get off a deadlift wood to kill my daddy?
Yeah. Where's my dad?
Watch him.
Go to work!
Look at him. He's kicking his feet. He's mad. He's mad, motherfucker. Look
It's funny.
Look at him. Man, he's hot as a fuck. You know we're laughing at him.
You let me know.